Connect the power cord. Turn on the power. Turn on the machine. Run fixed value test suitable for a single temperature point test. Set the temperature and start the test. View the test temperature curve. Set the timer and temperature slope. Stop the test. Program testing. It is suitable for multiple temperature point program testing. Set the program number. Set the temperature, heating time, hold time. Set it to 100 degrees Celsius. Heating time is 20 minutes. Set it to 150 degrees Celsius. Heating time is 1 hour. Set it to 150 degrees Celsius. Hold time is 2 hours. Set the program cycles. Start the program test. The program test will stop automatically when it completes the number of cycles.